Hi everyone, my name is Alex and I'm here today in Singapore with Timeo-Performance to share with you 20 years of experience of CrossKnowledge in the digital learning field. We had this morning a very insightful breakfast talk and now I'm going to cover with you the key takeaways. I share with the audience various studies proving that soft skills are the skills needed to tackle the future challenges in your companies in this fast and ever-changing world. But we all know that soft skills development at scale is complex and challenging because it's hard to bring the right content at the right moment in the right way to the right person, especially knowing that learners are constantly overwhelmed and never available. Digital learning is therefore perceived as the right solution. But digital learning is not always done properly because focus is more often put on technology and content rather than learner and pedagogy. We need to focus on how people learn and acquire skills and how to engage them with sticky learning experiences. Everybody talks about micro-learning, and it's great to inspire and teach simple skills, but it's not enough to teach complex soft skills. This is where macro-learning is the most needed. Macro-learning is all about pedagogy and long-term behavioral changes, and we know that soft skills is about behavioral changes. To make digital learning successful, micro and micro-learning should be done all together along the lifespan of the employee learning journey. CrossKnowledge, together with Timeo-Performance, is here to help you design your customized learning experience adapted to your challenges. Contact us to get more information.